Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to find cheapest flight ticket and which platform are providing you cheapest flight ticket. You can very easily find out the tickets. That platform name is
The platform name is iMean AI. You can call it Deal Hunter. Visit on the platform and you can very easily compare.
where is available cheapest flight ticket. Let's start this demonstration on laptop screen.
So let's start simply. First of all, you need to put it this URL. I already added this URL in video description. After that, we just simply create your own account. So sign up. So I just type here my username here, Research Rocks, email address, and send the verification code. They are sending the verification code on this email address. They're sending the verification code, and sometimes you receive the verification code in spam. After that, add here your password may be in case sensitive, and just simply sign up. So look at this, I just simply register. Which following rule describe you as deal hunter? Enter. And after that, here the explore option they are introducing, you just simply click here, explore deal hunter. Now the deal hunter is activated here, and please select the get all information flight one-way ticket or return ticket. Accordingly you provide the information. So here get all flights one-way ticket. So simply first of all I raise the question, okay, I'm find out the all flights ticket in one-way flight. So we can here put it the specific location, departure and arrival: Copenhagen, Denmark to Paris, France, and date is 20 of October 2024. And then raise the question. Let's see which types of output we are receiving. Okay, perfect. Generating the process is going on. Amazing. Skyscanner, the gather the information of biggest platformer. Those platformer are helping to people to find out the ticket, like all platform comes together and generate. Oh, amazing. Even the platform are providing you Excel sheet, and in this Excel sheet we can see which types of information they are providing. Okay, first of all they check one by one domain, those domain providing here, those 5 to 6 domain they are calculating, and after that they are providing those data in Excel file. If you click here, so look at this, the cheapest flights come here in the first position, and most expensive flight comes in last position. Still they are searching here. We can wait couple of seconds. You need to spend 5-6 minutes. Look at this, the table are increasing here, and even how they describe this table. Look at this, airline name, link. You can click here and then very easily find the ticket here. So look at this, they are pick this ticket $46. That one is really amazing. Price, takeoff time, the specific takeoff time. Look at this here, specific takeoff time means it's accurate information they are providing us. Landing time, duration, all duration. Copenhagen is takeoff and landing is Paris airport. So we are receiving bunch of different airline they are providing, and the specific time. This is one of the shortest I think, but expensive. The first position flight is affordable and cheap. Accordingly that still they are creating this one, LA to New York on 12/28. So here flight Los Angeles to New York, the specific airport on December 28 2024. I recommend this one, all get flights, and the information are generating the deal hunter. That one is really amazing, and artificial intelligence are helping you to create or find out the cheapest flight and then provide you the all information in Excel file. If you are company employee and you travel most of time one country to another country, so you can very easily gather this information and share your HR can very easily book the ticket and providing you some of the credits as well. So definitely I use this one for my company point of view. You can visit this platform and use once, and that one is really amazing. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section.
So guys, if you really like this deal hunter, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.